I've seen glass blowing, but I've never done it, and I didn't really think they were gonna let me blow torches and stuff.
We are having one of our Christmas ornament blowing classes. These are classes offered through the continuing ed department that are open to everybody in the community.
I don't want to just use it for the holidays. I want to then hang it in a window.
It is a hands-on class, but I'll be there every step of the way helping the students through the process.
Looking at the glass in the heater, it's just so amazing to see it.
They get to put the color that they chose on.
Red because it's Christmas. I wanted something that would look pretty on a green tree.
And then they get to do some of the initial shaping, getting it into a nice, clean, cylindrical shape. Roll back and forth.
Well, I jumped a couple times, so it was a little nerve-wracking, but it was really cool seeing the glass change shape.
He's good with people that don't have a clue what they're doing, and it made it a lot easier than it would have been.
There's nothing more special than the pieces you make yourself. I mean, one of my favorite pieces I've ever made was that very first cup in my very first glass blowing class.
I loved it. I'm kind of bummed that we only get to make one, but I would come back lots of times.